हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम टू द चैनल उपेक्षा जी के क्लासेस। तो आज मैं आपको 30 मई 2025 के टॉप 20 इम्पोर्टेंट करंट अफेयर क्वेश्चन कराने वाली हूँ, जो आपके एग्जामिनेशन के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट होने वाला है। तो वीडियो को एंड तक देखिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। तो चलिए लेक्चर शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन 1, 28 मई 2025 मार्क द डैश बर्थ एनिवर्सरी ऑफ स्वातंत्र्य वीर विनायक दामोदर सावरकर वीर सावरकर। Correct answer option C, 142nd. Question 2. Which team successfully defended the Swami Vivekanand Under 20 U20 Men's National Football Championship title in May 2025? Correct answer option C, Delhi. Question 3. How many Indian United Nations UN peacekeepers will receive the Dag Hammarskjöld Medal posthumously in 2025? Correct answer option B, 2. Question 4. Project Kusha aims to develop an indigenous desk for India's integrated air defense network. Correct answer option B, Long Range Surface to Air Missile LRSAM system. Question 5. On 27 May 2025, Nepali climber Kami Rita Sherpa submitted Mount Everest for the dash time, extending his world record. Correct answer option C, 31st. Question 6. The Department of Post launched the portal Know Your DigiPin Digital Postal Index Number / Know Your PIN Code on 27 May 2025. The portal helps citizens to quickly dash. Correct answer option B, locate and verify any 6-digit postal index number, that is PIN code, in India. Question 7. Which former Indian cricketer became brand ambassador of the Karnataka Forest and Wildlife Department in May 2025? Correct answer option B, Anil Kumble. Question 8. In May 2025, the University Grants Commission (UGC) issued letters of intent to how many foreign universities to set up campuses in India? Correct answer option B, 5. Question 9. Dash became the first Indian origin musician to win an American Music Award (AMA) in May 2025. Correct answer option B, Raja Kumari. Question 10. 28 May 2025 marked Nepal's Dash Republic Day since the monarchy was abolished in 2008. Correct answer option C, 18th. Question 11. The Global Mission Statement for Menstrual Hygiene Day 2025, 28 May is. Correct answer option C, Together for a Period-Friendly World. Question 12. The 9th India Mobile Congress IMC 2025 will be organized under the theme. Correct answer option B, Innovate to Transform. Question 13. Claria volcano, which erupted spectacularly on 25 May 2025, is located in which US state? Correct answer option D, Hawaii. Question 14. The National Apprenticeship Promotion Scheme (NAPS) is implemented by the Ministry of Dash. Correct answer option C, Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, MSDE, Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. Question 15. The 2025 Breakthrough Prize in Fundamental Physics honored research that primarily analyzed data from which particle physics facility. Correct answer option B. Sun's Large Hadron Collider LHC. Question 16. Dr. Ram Mohan MK was appointed Director of the Marine Product Export Development Authority, that is MPEDA, which functions under the Ministry of Dash. Correct answer option B. Commerce and Industry. Question 17. The Defense Research and Development Organization DRDO inaugurated the Quantum Technology Research Center QTRC at Dash on 27 May 2025. Correct answer option B. Metcalf House Complex, New Delhi. Question 18. The Indian Army's first community FM radio station, Panchshul Pulse 88.4 MHz, was launched in May 2025 in which border district of Uttarakhand? Correct answer option C. Pithoragarh. Question 19. Under the Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft AMCA program, India aims to induct its fifth generation stealth fighters by which year? Correct answer option C. 2035. Question 20. International Everest Day is celebrated each year on Dash to mark the first successful ascent by Tenzing Norgay and Sir Edmund Hillary in 1953. Correct answer option C. 29 May.